In Bukit Panjang town, where the city meets the green, lies a quiet pond, a hidden serene scene. Pang Sua whispers softly with waters calm and wide, at a man-made wonder where nature and life collide.
Oh, Pang Sua Pond, floating dreams on the water, elevated boardwalk, 7 meters high.
Dragonflies dancing, tortoises glide, wetlands blooming under Singapore sky. Pendant plants swaying in the gentle breeze, in this urban haven, everything's at ease. Built in the 90s to catch the rain's embrace, revamped with love in 2017's grace. Floating wetlands flourish, canifern and pendant tall, fragrant leaves whispering, answering nature's call.
Oh, Pang Sua Pond, floating dreams on the water, elevated boardwalk, 7 meters high.
Dragonflies dancing, tortoises glide, wetlands bloom